Hi everyone and welcome to Mozart, the Sound of Distant Presence. My name is Aline and I warmly welcome you to this very special project. During the past year we have been fighting very hard, just probably like a lot of you guys, to find opportunities to create music together in a safe environment for everyone. Now, creating virtual choir videos can be super fun and honestly there are so many great things out there, but only to some extent, and this is exactly why we have now thought of a new format and would like you to be part of it. But first of all, let's hear about the music from our artistic director Marion Wood.
The amazing thing about requiems is that for every minor chord, you're always only one note change away from a major chord. I can change the third, or I can change the fifth, or I can shuffle the ground note down one. These three ways to change a minor chord to a major chord are the stuff of all the requiems. It's this fight between devastation and sadness and hope. Of course, making a musical project is never going to be entirely like a live performance, something else. But there is something amazing about having a musical idea or an interpretational idea and trying different ways to make that real and exploring Mozart's music, finding a few cool things that normally just the musicologists go, wow, cool, man, and seeing if we can make that wow, cool moment somehow in our sound, in the way we play, evident in the recording and not just a secret in the loft of some musicologist somewhere. And my experience of working 9 months in a virtual environment and recording multi-tracks and trying to inspire other people to do the same is that there is something amazing about being able to do several takes or listen back and say, okay, this is what was going through my mind. Did it come out in my instrument, in my singing? Did I put across the musical idea or did I just roughly nail the notes? Really, this would be termed an installation rather than a concert where the tracks were played on loop. Here's a photo of something like it in an art gallery. Many speakers and only 2 people listening to them. So even when we're only allowed to have 2 or 3 or 4 people present at a time, it might be possible to have the voices and instrumental sounds of a much larger ensemble and bring this into an acoustic where the influence of the building and the sound can blossom in a way that it perhaps doesn't when it's all mixed down into 2 stereo tracks. So that's a challenge. Let's see what happens.
So we have designed this project as a summer school so that you can earn credit points with your participation and also include it in your studies. We will be working with 3 different platforms. First of all, Zoom for the international video conferences. Second of all, Skibo, which is what I always call the Google Drive of the University of Münster and just allows us to share music and some additional information with you. And third of all, and most excitingly, Soundtrap, which is an online recording studio where you will not only have access to the Mozart files, but can also create your own projects. So with that said, if you have any questions on how to sign up for the project, on the platforms we're using, or if you simply want to know more about Mozart, the Sound of Distant Presence, feel free to email me at mozart.distant@wwu.de or just visit our website with the link in the description. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.